When you feel like chatting but ChatGPT is at its limit, you can explore other AI chatbot alternatives such as Google's Bard, Microsoft's Bing, ChatSonic, and UChat. Artificial intelligence conversations are in high demand these days, leading to ChatGPT often being at full capacity. You could keep refreshing the page or opt for ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month, but there are plenty of other AI chatbots available for online interactions. Major tech companies, including well-known players like Google and Microsoft as well as AI-focused firms like Jasper and Zeno, are heavily investing in AI technology. We've compiled a list of chatbots you can use right now, both free and paid, along with a brief overview of their functionality and what to anticipate. It's important to remember that none of these AI chatbots should be blindly trusted for accurate information. They are prone to errors, which becomes increasingly apparent as they sometimes share incorrect information about each other and even themselves. So, regardless of the chatbot services you choose to use, be cautious about the advice they offer and be mindful of how and where you apply the generated content. Bard, Google. What is Bard? Bard is a public conversational AI service developed by Google. How can you access Bard? To use Bard, you'll need a personal Google account, not an enterprise account for work, and be at least 18 years old. Google will attempt to verify your age based on the information it has about you. To join the waitlist, visit bard.google.com. Access is typically granted within a day or two. What is the source of Bard's data? Bard is built on Google's Lambda, a language model trained on a dataset called Infiniset. This data consists of 50% public forum dialogues, 12.5% C4 data, from Common Crawl's WebCrawl, 12.5% publicly accessible programming-related documents, 12.5% English Wikipedia, 6.25% English web documents, and 6.25% non-English web documents. What is the cost of using Bard? Bard is available for free. Bing with AI, Microsoft. What is Bing with AI? Bing with AI is Microsoft's attempt to compete with Google by incorporating OpenAI's ChatGPT technology into its search engine, Bing. This integration allows Bing to access up-to-date information that the standalone ChatGPT currently lacks, as it was not trained on data beyond 2021, though this is expected to change soon. How can you access Bing with AI? To use Bing with AI, you'll need a Microsoft account. After signing up, join the waitlist. Once granted access, you'll be directed to the new Bing, which Microsoft advises using on the Edge browser, as some features are limited on other browsers. Navigate to Bing and click on the Chat tab at the top. What is the source of Bing with AI's data? Bing with AI is a collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI, utilizing the same technology as ChatGPT and GPT 3.5. It is tailored for search using a proprietary technology called Prometheus. What is the cost of using Bing with AI? Bing with AI is free, but Microsoft enforces daily Q&A limits. At the time of writing, users are allowed 150 questions per day, with 15 back-and-forth exchanges each time. Chat LLM streaming, Hugging Face. What is Chat LLM streaming? Chat LLM streaming allows you to try out the AI chatbot Open Assistant from LAION, a nonprofit organization committed to keeping AI accessible and free. How can you access Chat LLM streaming? To use Chat LLM streaming, simply visit the website in any browser. What is the source of Chat LLM streaming's data? Open Assistant's training dataset is continuously updated, and its details can be viewed on a publicly available spreadsheet. What is the cost of using Chat LLM streaming? Chat LLM streaming is free to use. ChatSonic, WriteSonic. What is ChatSonic? ChatSonic is an AI chatbot described as similar to ChatGPT, but with real-time data, images, and voice search. It's developed by WriteSonic, a company providing AI-driven, SEO-focused writing services for businesses. How can you access ChatSonic? Simply create an account using an email address. Where does ChatSonic source its data? WriteSonic claims to utilize GPT-4 and also incorporates Google to ensure the information provided by ChatSonic remains up to date. What is the cost of using ChatSonic? A free trial offers 10,000 AI-generated words, although these are not powered by GPT-4. Pricing plans are available based on the number of users and the amount of content generated by ChatSonic. Jasper, Jasper AI. What is Jasper? Jasper is an AI chatbot designed specifically for copywriting tasks, such as creating ads, blog posts, emails, job listings, and websites. How can you access Jasper? To use Jasper, sign up on the company's website. Where does Jasper source its data? Jasper's training is based on 10% of the internet, with its training data cut off in 2019. What is the cost of using Jasper? Jasper offers various pricing plans that depend on the intended usage and the amount of generated content. UChat, What is UChat? UChat, developed by U.com, is a versatile tool that can answer general questions, provide explanations, suggest ideas, translate languages, summarize text, compose emails, and write code. U.com is a search engine that has been operational since November 2021. How can you access UChat? To use UChat, create an account on U.com and access the chatbot through the Chat tab on the website. A Chrome extension is also available for convenient access across the web. Where does UChat source its data? UChat is based on GPT 3.5, with additional customizations by U.com. The platform claims that UChat can address questions related to recent events. What is the cost of using UChat? UChat is available for free. Thanks for joining us as we explored the 6 alternative ChatGPT solutions to answer your pressing questions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Share this video with friends and family who may be interested in AI chatbots, and let's discuss your experiences with these alternatives in the comments below. Until next time, happy chatting and stay connected.